Azure DevOps provides all the common services used to build a CI/CD pipelines and manage the repositories. DevOps also supports creating your own extensions to the existing platform, something which may not be available out of the box, but you'll be able to customize them or to achieve a particular business need. This may include modifying, adding a new UI layout, a screen as per your business need, or adding a new icon itself, or a particular task to on a CI/CD workflows. So extensions are a way to extend the Azure DevOps and their features without having to uh, modify or without having to understand Azure DevOps. So it is basically based on the plugins architecture where you can develop your extensions and reuse them. So in order to download, look into the extension, basically you have to go to the marketplace for Azure DevOps, marketplace.com, and then select Azure DevOps. Here is where you can search for various extension. Example, if I want some extension related to pull request, I can search for it, and these are the extensions available which you can then include in your projects and use it to in your project. Example, now this is an extension which will give you a count of current pull requests which are active. Example, and something similar. So for most of the needs of the business, there might be an extension, or you can create your own extensions and put it up in the marketplace. So let's look at how to add a new extension into our organization or a project. So one way to do is go into your projects and go into organization settings, and under organization you'll see something called extensions. So here you'll be able to look at what are the extensions currently installed in this organization. So it might be, you see here there are some extensions related to some replacing the token, a sonar cube extension and others. And if someone else in your team or other project members of this team, if they have requested a particular extension to be included, it would show up here. And if there's any extension which are developed by someone else but they have shared it to your organization, it would be here which you can then install and use it. So installing, as long as you are the organization administrator, you will be able to open up any of the extension. Example, if I just go home, right, and let's say if I want to install this time tracker, right, I just say get, open the extension, I review the extension, then I go ahead and log in here. So once signed in, it would allow you to select the organization into which you want to include this particular extension. So which would then come up here as one of the listed extension into the in your organization. So let's see if it, yeah. So once it is logged in, it is now loading up your organization which are all, I have so many. So I'll select one which I want to install. Then again, this option you may not see if you are not the organization admin. Then you'll have the option to request it to be added, which will then show up under the organization. So now if I go and refresh, you will see there's a new extension added related to time tracker. So this is the new extension which now I can use. I can start using this in my work items and uh, other places where this extension is supposed to be used. So extensions are a way to improve or automate your processes which are not available out of the box, and still customize the Azure DevOps platform.